so and see what the change that this village is going to have.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dennis. Convey our regards to 5470 for that excellent project. Thank you. To ask the villagers who gave this cattle, and they said Rotary Club, because they would not know which Rotary Club or things like that. They are all illiterate, so they will just say Rotary. But that is, they all identify Rotary as Rotary, not as Rotary Club of Vijayakonda or 5470 or Colorado Springs or Broadmoor. Rotary is Rotary for them, and Rotary is polio plus for them. Is nothing else they can identify. If we say polio, they will say Rotary. That is the kind of extent of thinking that went through because of our polio efforts. Probably we can carry this message to the foundation that polio has built up a lot of image for Rotary in this kind of places too, where otherwise Rotary would not have been known for their wonderful work they're doing. And on behalf of the Secretary entity and on behalf of all of us, we again thank you, Carolyn, Dick, and Dennis, and the lovely GSC team. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and say hello to the cattle, and we'll take some pictures. It's picture opportunity time. And I will request all these people to stay back here because if they all come, the cattle would be raffled. They're already raffled with, they're all new cattle, and even the owners don't have control over them. And also they just breeded, so they are not in a hello mood. They are their tempers are a little frayed because of all this sound and noise. So we will silently go there and say hello to each one of them. Yes, but we have made adequate precautions that they will not do anything to us. Definitely and co.
Tradition here.
Yes, these are all roll.
This is the way of honoring.
This is what I needed.
I knew you would. Thank you.
Dennis,
Yes.
please receive the honor from the villagers.
Thank you. Thank you. Really?
పైపు మీద
I know they're gonna keep up. If he can find his
యాడ్ నుంచి వద్దాం
ఈ బంతి పువ్వు తింటారమ్మా తగ్గేదే they also won't know now they buy with the car because that's when they keep it.
So we knew this was a friendly
Can we come in with the cows?
Oops. Had enough, huh? Okay.
Take a picture. It should.
Put an empty box after one box. We designed this so that we can walk through.
అది పాల్పుదా చెప్పండి
Whoops. Business time.
They're all insured.
If I still had some of that meal in my hand. But it was a friendly cow. Nice meeting you.
మా లోపలికి అమ్మమ్మ ఇటు వెనక్కి రండి వెనక్కి రండి
You go to school? What school?
వచ్చేదే
And I'm sure I won't succeed, but I don't mind trying.
No foundation would ever have done like that. They will make it interesting photograph. Probably Rotarian magnet would appreciate it.
This is the sweetest cat. Lovely hair.
I did. Thank you.
అట్లాంటి మీరు ఇట్లాంటి ఈయన దగ్గర రండి.
ఫేస్ కనిపించట్లేదు.
Oh, I got some! I did. I had some a second ago.
వెరీ గుడ్ కాండి.
బాబు అట్లే
She says no. I got some that time too. I got some that I didn't see. Thank you, dear.
కుర్చీ వస్తుంది.
You might want to get a little closer. Pick a full one. Some of them are fuller than others. Oh, yeah, thanks.
Milk. They come that way near Ravi. Come near Ravi, you will also take some.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
మేడం ఒకసారి
Okay.
మేడం మాకు కూడా ఒకసారి ఫోన్ చేయండి మేడం.
Vinita, इधर दो pose. हाँ, उधर जाओ. బాబు నేర్పు ఎట్లా తీయాలో చూపించు నేర్పు. तुम ऐसे डरेगा तो नहीं चलेगा विनीता.
రైట్ ఎవరా మేడం? రైట్ రైట్ ఓకే. ఎవరికమ్మా ఇది? రైట్ రైట్ పక్క నుంచమ్మా. రైట్ ఆ దూడను కూడా ఇటు తీసుకోమ్మా తొందరగా. రైట్ బాబు నిత్యం తీసామ్మా. ఏంటండి ఊరగాలు తీసుకుంటారా? నించమ్మా నించం
తీసుకుంటూ వస్తున్నా.
అబ్బాయి
అప్పుడు తీసుకునేమో వచ్చి
లోపల నుంచమ్మా లోపల నుంచో.
ఉండ మొక్క నుంచి ఉండ పక్కన అయిపోయింది.
Ganda.
దూడ తలకాయ వెళ్ళింది. రైట్ పద.
కూర్చోండి